Hi, this is Carl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the second part of my buck series of knives. I'm going to do a quick review on this one. I know many of you already have one of these. I know there are probably thousands of videos on YouTube about these 375 Deuce. But anyway, this will be my first video on this one. Picked this up at Walmart. I can't remember the price. Under $15, I know that. This is a little peanut knife. Here's the specs on the back. Clip and coping. 420-2 steel. Or 420-12 steel. 2 5/8 closed. 7 ounces in weight. The handle is made from black paca wood and nickel silver bolsters. Has the forever warranty, which means you can get this replaced or repaired anytime. Just send it back to the company. Get in touch with the company, send it back. They'll give you all instructions. This one is made in China, not made in the Idaho plant. And here is the barcode. If you want to scan that one and check it out, other stores, www.buckknives.com. Great little pocket carrier right here, EDC knife. If you need something small, this should be the one. Try to cut this thing open. Why don't I just rip it open like this? Might be a little easier. Here we go. And of course, if I wasn't on camera, it'd be very easy to open. You know how that goes. Let's just go like that. Let's take it down this side too. So, there we go. Let's get this thing open. Somehow, it is kind of tamper-proof. Little kids wouldn't be able to get into it. There we go. There we go. Let's get all this trash out of the way. Now, many people think that this is a great first knife for young kids, young boys, young girls, whoever. Many people think this is a great first knife to learn how to use a knife, how to carry one, how to open one. There we go. There's the back of it. You can see the grain of the wood. 2 blades. Very light, beautiful knife. Let's open this thing up. Here's the first blade. Now you can really feel that. You hear that snap? Let's see how much resistance it takes to close it. And where the spring starts. There we go. Nice little snap on that one. Closing. Very, very nice quality knife here. Close that back up. Open up this blade here. Now, I'm not 100% sure, but some people might call this a sheep's foot style blade. While we have this open, see the China made right here. I didn't even check on the other blade, see if it has a the name on it. Let's go ahead and do that while it's... There we go. Look at the grind on this blade. Perfectly even all the way up the blade. On both of them, perfectly even. Come on, focus. Really nice knife. Let me close this one up. just a regular sheet of copy paper. There we go. Really sharp knife here. I'm impressed with it. Kind of weird thing to handle. There we go. Let's just start over down here. Here we go. There we go. There we go. Let's try this other blade on here. Oops. Let's close this one first. Making sure my fingers are out of the way. Open up this blade. There we go. With this blade being so small, a little bit harder to manage, but it gets the job done. Super, super nice little knife. This is the Buck 375, and it's got the 3 pins in there to hold the scales on. So this should be pretty easy if you wanted to put new scales on it. Many people do that as a hobby. But for a while, I'm going to leave this one just like it is. Go check out your Buck number 375. Nice little pocket carry, EDC carry. My name is Carl. I do appreciate you being there.